The market closed on a negative note on April 30, 2026, with the all-share price index, ASPI, declining by 85.47 points, minus 0.38%, to 22,549.53, while the S&P SL20 index fell by 33.45 points, minus 0.54%, to 6,207.56, reflecting broad-based selling pressure and cautious investor sentiment at the end of the trading session. Total market turnover stood at LKR 3.44 billion for the day, supported by crossings amounting to LKR 889.88 million, indicating a moderate level of negotiated transactions. John Keells Holdings plc and Access Engineering plc emerged as the companies recording the highest traded value, while overall market capitalization settled at LKR 8,174.62 billion, reflecting the day's subdued market performance. Total market activity was largely driven by domestic investors, with domestic purchases amounting to 3,170.30 million rupees, accounting for approximately 92% of total buying, while foreign purchases contributed 270.69 million rupees. On the selling side, domestic investors recorded sales of 3,095.26 million rupees, representing around 90% of total market sales, whereas foreign sales stood at 345.74 million rupees, indicating a relatively higher level of foreign selling pressure during the session. Top gainers of the day were led by Industrial Asphalts, Ceylon, plc, which surged by 25%, followed by Serendib Land plc gaining 18.22%. Parana Plantations plc advanced by 8.75%, while Wadawala Plantations plc and Kahawadi Plantations plc recorded gains of 7.46% and 6.35% respectively, reflecting strong buying interest across selected counters. Top losers of the day were dominated by SMB Finance plc, with its voting share declining sharply by 33.33% and the non-voting share falling by 11.11%. Janashakti Finance plc also recorded a notable loss of 6.68%, while Insurme Insurance Brokers plc and Office Equipment plc declined by 5.27% and 5.26% respectively, reflecting selling pressure across selected counters. Top positive contributors to the ASPI were led by Lion Brewery, Ceylon, plc, followed by CT Holdings plc and Wadawala Plantations plc. Meanwhile, Cargill's, Ceylon, plc and Carson Cumberbatch plc also contributed positively to the index, helping to cushion the overall market decline. Top negative contributors to the ASPI included Dialogue Axiata plc and John Keells Holdings plc, alongside Commercial Bank of Ceylon plc. In addition, Ceylon Cold Stores plc and Melstacorp plc weighed negatively on the index, contributing to the overall market downturn.